Whoa, look at this tall tree, guys. Come here. This dead one right here.
Oh, that one. It's crossed.
Look at this, Rikes.
I can climb it.
I think what if I could push it over?
I'm gonna bang it.
Well, you can try.
I'm gonna bang it down. I'm gonna bang it down.
Move, Rikes. Or Kyle. You step back so Rikes can bang it down. I don't want to hit you. Try again. With the short stick. Now we gotta go find another one. Hey, there's another log to walk on. What's he doing? Are you going wild on me?
Can we do that again?
Get him out in the woods and start going wild.
Whoa, let's walk on here.
All right, I'll watch you. Yeah. You're doing great. I can't say the same for Riker. Hiya! Always make it a trap, I think. Hey, you can make a fort back there. Look at all that wood. All we gotta do is build something.
Come back, okay?
We will.
I'm coming.
Are you working out, Rex?
No.
You can't break. You can't break live trees. You gotta find a dead stick on the ground. There's one.
I'm scared. I didn't
Big mouth, come here.
run. Okay, I'm just gonna jump. Ow, my ear.
On that stick. All right, let's see if we can push this tree over.
Ow.